In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to contact Vinted support. Whether you're facing an issue with an order, have account questions, or need help with a feature, I'll show you the steps to reach Vinted's support team for assistance. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and giving it a like. Your support really helps us bring more helpful guides your way. To contact Vinted support, follow these steps. Open the Vinted app and log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. In your profile, tap on Help Center. In the Help Center, you'll find a list of common topics and FAQs. Browse these for quick answers or select the option How to use Help Center and Contact Support. Choose the relevant issue from the options provided, and you'll be prompted to fill out a support request form or start a chat with a representative. Some articles have a contact button, and some articles do not. There is another way to contact Vinted support. Type username in the search bar. Below this article, you will see the button Contact Us. Click on it and write your message to Vinted support team. Then click on the Submit button to send your question or complaint. And that's it. You've successfully contacted Vinted support, and they'll reach out soon with assistance. To quickly recap, we covered how to access the Help Center, select your issue, and submit a support request on Vinted. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know if there are other Vinted features you'd like help with. And stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.